physics that pressure remains equal at all points which are at equal heights. Let's prove this fact by making a simple water fountain. Now let's see if water would flow with same speed from multiple holes at the same height. So for that we are going to make holes at the same height. Let's say this is hole number 1, this is hole number 2, this is hole number 3, and this is hole number 4. So like how we did last time, this time also we are going to make holes of same size. So you see we have created 4 holes of same size at the same height on this container. So now again we will fill this with water, but before that let's close the holes. Let's open the holes and this time just observe the flow of water. So here you see that the water is flowing out with the same speed from all the 4 holes. So if I rotate it this way, you see that we have made a beautiful fountain, and this time there is no difference in pressure. So that shows that whatever we had discussed just now, that pressure is dependent on height. So it doesn't matter what the shape of the vessel is. If the height is same, then the pressure would also be the same. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share it. Subscribe to our channel to get daily updates. Thank you.